Hey, what's up? I know that you like Lenovo earbuds, just like me, because they are very cheap, but offer good performance. Last year we tested Lenovo XT90 and Lenovo XT92 on our channel, Tech Brothers. In 2022, the Chinese company has already released a new model called Lenovo XT95 Pro. One of the main features of the new wireless earbuds is the design of the charging case. First, it has a transparent lid. Also, you can buy a luminous version of the new Lenovo earbuds. It looks very nice, do you agree? By the way, the luminous version is only $2 more expensive than the standard. You can buy it for only $15. Okay, let's do unboxing. Look at design, as well as test latency, microphone, sound and battery of Lenovo XT95 Pro wireless earbuds. If this is your first time on our channel, Tech Brothers, please subscribe. You can also hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos. As I already said, Lenovo XT95 Pro are available in a standard version of a white and black color, as well as luminous version of black and white color. I have all of them. As you can see, the boxes are the same, including the image on the front and specifications on the back. The package contents are also the same, such as charging case with earbuds, USB Type-C cable, and user manual. So the only difference between standard and luminous versions is a backlight on the charging case. So the design of the charging case is the main feature of Lenovo XT95 Pro earbuds. First, it has a transparent lid, so we can see the earbuds inside the case. There's also a Lenovo logo on the front and a Sync Plus logo on the back. A charging port is located at the bottom. The design of the charging case looks nice, but nothing special. However, just look at this case. When you open the lid, the lens on the case starts glowing in different colors. First, it is red, yellow, green, white, blue, and then the backlight turns off. It looks very cool, doesn't it? I think it is worth to pay $2 extra for a luminous version of these earbuds. As for the design of the earbuds themselves, I think you know what they look like. Lenovo XT95 Pro have semi-in-ear design without silicone ear tips. Also, they are very comfortable in the ears, and you almost don't feel them. But I am not sure that they are good for active sports. I also didn't find any information about the water protection. You should probably avoid all water, including sweat and rain. I am not even talking about a shower or the pool. The earbuds have touch control panels. Let's talk about their functions. First, you can pause the music with single press on the earbuds. If you want to play the next track, then triple press on the right earbud and triple press on the left earbud to play the previous track. You know, Lenovo XT95 Pro earbuds also have volume control functions. You just need double tap on the right earbud to volume up and the left earbud to volume down. That's a very useful function. Of course, you can take or reject the phone calls using the new Lenovo earbuds. You know, there's even gaming mode. You need to press and hold the right earbud to activate it. Let's check latency in games. I cannot say that the latency is ultra low, but it is quite good for the budget earbuds. You can play games with Lenovo XT95 Pro. I think you are also interested in microphone quality of these earbuds. Let's check it out. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of Lenovo XT95 Pro earbuds. Do you hear me well? Write in the comments below. By the way, I want to ask you to hit the like button under this video. It is very important for us. Thank you. Finally, let's talk about sound quality of the new Lenovo earbuds. You know, I have already tested many wireless earbuds from Lenovo under $20, and most of them have good sound quality. The new Lenovo XT95 Pro have 13mm driver, AAC and SBC audio decoding support. The sound quality is very good for $12 earbuds. I am very surprised by the bass, because the earbuds have semi-in-ear design. The treble is also good, so the vocals are very clear. I think that Lenovo XT95 Pro have the most balanced sound. The bass, mid-range and treble are equal, so you don't hear any variations. That's very good. Talking about battery, the new Lenovo earbuds have 35 hours of total battery life with charging case, or 6-8 hours playtime on a single charge. A charging case has a capacity of 300 mAh, while a single earbuds is equipped with 30 mAh battery. So I am very surprised by Lenovo XT95 Pro wireless earbuds. First, I like the design of charging case, especially luminous version. I think it is worth paying $2 more for this amazing backlight on the case. However, a standard version with a transparent lid also looks nice. The earbuds have semi-in-ear design, so they are very comfortable in the ears. However, I am not sure they are good for sports. The sound quality and battery life are great for $15 wireless earbuds. I would even say that Lenovo XT95 Pro sound better than some $50 or even $100 earbuds. On the other hand, you should understand that the budget earbuds don't have active noise cancellation, EQ modes, and other features that are available on more expensive models. Anyway, for $15, Lenovo XT95 Pro are really good TWS earbuds. Thank you for watching. See you soon!